I had a really good question today that I thought would make a good video. The person wanted to know why Word changes things on you sometimes when you're typing them and how to make it stop doing that. In their specific example, they wanted to type this, which is asterisk space, asterisk space, asterisk at certain points in their document. But every time they did that, when they started typing it, asterisk space, a bullet would turn on. And then they could type the other asterisk spaces, but they had this bullet. And they wanted to know, well, how do I get rid of that bullet? Well, notice, let me just start over with this. Notice when I first do this, asterisk space, and the bullet appears, this little button here also appears. What Word is doing is it is auto-correcting on me. It assumes when I type asterisk space that I really want a bullet. If I don't, at this point in time, I can just say undo. Control Z on the keyboard or on your quick access toolbar, which might be up here in your version of Word, the little backward looping arrow. Then I'm fine and I can keep typing what I was doing. That's one solution for that moment. So if I thought in general I want the bullets, but this time I don't, I would just do an undo. But what if I don't ever want it doing this because it bugs? The little button that appears, you can click and it will, I could have clicked this and said undo instead of pressing Control Z or clicking up there. That's what that choice is. But the second choice is stop automatically correcting bullets. If I click this, then in the future, when I do asterisk space, asterisk space, I don't get the autocorrect. A couple other examples of things you'll see are like if I say the one ST for first, as soon as I press the space bar, it superscripts it. Now, this didn't give me the little option to undo it, but if I thought I don't want that, I could click undo or Control Z on the keyboard and then just keep typing. As opposed, some people keep deleting it and retyping and they keep getting it back. Now, where do these autocorrect items come from? If you notice a little pop-up when it goes in, you can do what I did and click it to get rid of it. But otherwise, if you go to File, Options, Proofing. In here is where a lot of the things that Word does automatically, where they come from. And this specifically is the autocorrect options. Now in autocorrect, you have a few things. Autocorrect specifically is where you type one thing and it replaces it with something else. So this would be, you type a little C in parentheses and you get the copyright symbol. You would go here to remove that. And you might, as a side note, say, I'm tired of typing the asterisk space, and so you could say, I want to replace something. I'll just do period asterisk. I want to replace that with my asterisk with the 3 asterisks with the spaces. I can add that. Now I'll show you when we go back in how that works. By the way, the reason I started with a period asterisk is because there would never be a reason why I would actually type that in a document and just want it to be there. So this will automatically be replaced. So that's autocorrect. But what's making the little bullet appear is under autoformat as you type. You don't care so much about autoformat because this only happens if you run autoformat. But autoformat as you type is when Word changes things as you're typing along. So the automatic bulleted list got turned off just now a minute ago when I told it to, but otherwise that was checked. And you could have come in here and cleared any of them. And a couple of that are really annoying are the bullets and the automatic numbers. If I want an automatic number, I will choose an automatic number. I don't need Word deciding that I want to turn on automatic numbers. Most of these up here under replace as you type, I actually like and usually keep. They're pretty much, they usually do a good job. But these here usually irritate me. Border lines, I'll leave that on so I can show you what it does. I forget what you type to get a table in. This one probably won't end up bothering you. Set left and first indent with tabs and backspaces. This is another one I don't care for, because what it does is if you press tab at the beginning of a paragraph, instead of tabbing like you just told the computer to do with your finger, it indents. And if you get into formatting and understanding formatting in Word, it's it can be really confusing to people who really don't know what they're doing. Like all of a sudden they've got an indent, and as they're typing along, they keep getting this indent. So I usually turn that one off, but some people like it, so I'll just leave that alone for now. So I turned these off. I left border lines on. Let's see what happens. If I'm typing now a bunch of equal signs, oh, those are plus signs, sorry. Then I press enter, it gives me a line. That's the border lines. Or if I'm typing just a bunch of dashes or underscores, I don't know about underscores, but dashes, it gives me a line. I actually don't like that one, so I would be inclined with that one also to tell it to stop doing that automatically. So that in the future, if I want to type a bunch of dashes or equal signs for some oh, I almost forgot. What about that autocorrect I added where I put period asterisk should be replaced? Well, there you have it. I put that in, and so now anytime I type period asterisk, I get the 3 asterisks with the spaces between them. And I use this a lot, not just for things like that, but long words and phrases that I have to type a lot, I will turn into autocorrects. So for example, I write a lot of documentation on how to do things on the computer, and a lot of times I have to say dialog box. The dialog box opens. Click the dialog box. I'm going to put dialog box in my document, and if I select it, I can now go back to that file, options, proofing, autocorrect, and tell it what I want to be replaced with dialog box. I'll do .db. Oh, I've already done it. This is my computer. So I've done this in the past. Period .db is going to be dialog box. I'll just replace it with what it already is. Say OK. So now, when I'm typing along, instead of having to type out dialog box, I can just do .db space and then keep typing. So if you have long, kind of complicated words or phrases you type again and again, that can come in handy there too. Now, one other thing that occurred to me about the autocorrect, it didn't do it this last time, I think because I was playing around with it and made it stop. But normally, if you type a word at the beginning of a sentence and you don't capitalize it, as soon as you press the space bar, Word automatically capitalizes it for you. And that's one of those auto text or autocorrect settings. There is a checkbox in there somewhere for that. But let's say I usually like that, but in this case I don't, because I was just trying to type dialog box to make my little autocorrect, and I don't want the first letter capitalized. So as soon as that happens, I would just do an undo. And that tells Word, undo the last thing you just did, and now I can type box and whatever else it is I have to say. It's that simple.